Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can share your file with the help of Bluetooth in your Infinix smartphone. How you can share it. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First open your Google files by Google, and here you can see downloads option. Click on downloads and select what you want to share through Bluetooth. Click on three dots and here you can find share option. Click on it and here it asks you to select mode of share. Click on Bluetooth and here it is friends. Just click on where you have to send, and I choose Sony home theater. Just click on this and friends it is sending files, and friends just accept it like this. And friends, you can see it is sending successfully. The Bluetooth file is successfully sent. You can see received files. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching.